Sky FM 95.9, 182 with Bob. 810, it's a Friday. Tandiswa. Kwandele manje. Black Coffee, he's doing his thing. Hey, Skumba's in the house.
Brother George, hello, sis.
Hello, Pololos.
Right?
I say, Pilam Dasakai, we're very proud of you.
Thank you.
We heard you with a class, huh?
Yes, I was a piece. Islandana say peel as you come to what that look is a look of saying Kaza Wenzin Lapa.
Wenzin Tony.
But I thank you very much everyone that came out last week for the wheelchair drive, for my one man shows. Yeah, dealing is a shubile. I'm focusing on something new now. But then Lalanga, right? He's no value. Singazolala kabuhlungu kanjena halo mntwana uvusi umbambiza vusa bilongo idabalazi gaba lakhe uBruce hayi uhlase kabuhlungu iCountry yonke yalala kabuhlungu kule ngathi nemhlolo yini nakusula umfana oyi1 uthatha yonke into Rajojo Grand
Jam grand mfowethu sibona le spite vote this year.
No, it's not a spite vote. I think it's a wake up call.
It's a wake up call.
It's a wake up call to Abu Gwede. Na bonke na public like besingekho ready yabo. Yazizole mina kulile there was a point where lemntwana beka leader yonke into kule country. Ngathi he ngazibona ETA ishintsha country iAlexander Valley yenza museum bakayivali bakavali Alexander yonke bayivala kube museum abantu bakhona bangasaphumi bahlale phakathi ebona bayibhizi khona bashintsha ibhizi khona kube library yabelo abelungu ba yo yazi khona kusebakubheka lento leyana ngathuka ngathi yimlo ngathi nginovalo yazi ngoba siyazi ukuthi mabakangena lo mntwana uvusi bomnikeza ipoison 2 weeks but died of natural causes died on natural causes babuye yo khobutso ama weave pants le show yakhe TV bayivala khulu liyokhulu ngaba novalo mina ivote ambeka secret like ngoba nabavula ballot paper ballot paper unokuyivula bese mara yo uvote angeke hayi ucabanga uvota lo mntwana lo Beret uthi uzorasa lo lalela kune party abathi AIC abobana baphethele party bana makhala weANC yonke into ugokwami
Seshaya khona
nami cishe ngathi abobana
mistaken parking
as bavula ballot paper ufila guilty like ngathi ngabizwa omunye umuntu because this is a very important decision that you must make for the whole country ngathi ngabizwa omunye umngane ukuthi ntwana zwala yi angincedise singenzani la ukuthi mangabe ku wrong ungathi uwe uthi mara ukuli uthenge collusion la yo they can as a project angaze ngathuka so I'm not saying ubutvusi wrong mara akazosa abakhwela balalanga ushukela uphakeme bahlala ngama drip lapha nakulapho bamela ama results bahlala solo how many percent you bayabuza wona how many percent amntwana you lemntwana lalela manje ulolipitori so kuli lalela kuli usele kancane ukuthi ubize ubutvusi uyathatha yonke into
Sangibusele kapha
lalela Jo like bathatha laba yasikhumbutho ngizibone ngibone ngasana ranki ngala traffic kazi ngibone into eyiningi ngibone uThibo Chasha bele radio kulinte ngizibone ngala mehlami labantu babathatha ngathi yo siyolala ngo9 la siyolala bosihlalisa ngo9 thina mtaki hayi ngo5 past 9 kuvele yasubula lapho le likirithete ucima TV
baba
bazosicheka ukuthi silele bayosibuyisela kuma landline bathatha amafoni wethu number yakho 9221708 khohlwa 082 bavala yonke ngicela ake sikhona ukuthi sivote futhi mhlambe sicela ukuvota futhi ayisithukile phela manje yazi besithi siyabalaya kanti akuthuka thina futhi siyahamba vele yazi ngifuna ngathi sizohamba kule country thina mabangawina lapho yo ngathi yazi ngaphatha i-toilet
bazayivala isentence
Kuli yo i-grave site yethu bayifaka ibe notshani khomutso yazi George uvalo galo manje uDaddy naye uyahamba uyovota enkandla bama naye layinini babe naye layinini uma 30 minutes amalayinini bona bathi asakwazi umsholoza akafaka vakashe so bemba yotaw nqamalalo usahlala lona asakwazi bahleka naye bangena ku ballot paper afaka inkhathi backstep kabuhlungu akafaka nethayi ngoba la uDaddy kube ngathi awuthi bedlala ibhola ku Pirates ngasavakashe lokushini seyabuya manje sifuna nibe umngani wayo hayi baba sesitshintshile thina lokho any right chance but right baba makhosikazi asekhona okay sangena but okay ibene but bafika ensiba goci phepha kanje bafaka umntwana bafaka umntwana manje umntwana bekakhuluma jabula we're very happy right now so umntwana ngathi aka understand njengoba winile ngathi aka understand njengoba winile fanele ayongena enkandla yena kule yandlu leyana or uzuma uphuma nini ngene uyithatha kanti kuseya White House akithi i-president iyaphuma ngene enye same White House ngoba kulapha enkandla uphuma nini ngoba ngisegeyidini yanya ngena manje
he's got plans
uplanile ready uwina yonke into nabe ngivotile yabona ukuvota kunzima chance yazi I understand my pressure of angeke kubuza uvotele nyazi uvotele mara bekunjani ukuvotela lento ivotela uma mina ngiyanizwa nithi yakhuluma nithi EFF is doing very baningi labantu phela mara bayibona ama percentage amancane so lalela bakuthiwa fill up the stadium bokubovu yazi labantu laba right bathola ama 2% ama 7 bafail phela ukwathola 2% baphasa in bahlaba ngamaberete uthi usabheka iberete bakape ngeskipa usathi ubheka iskipa wakunika 6 yamabhiya usathi ubheke lokho uJulius uthe makakabe ipresident yena uzonika abogogo 3000 yewo hlanye kokwa manje savuka kugcineni 3,000 kule labanje abakho bathola bama 1.2 1.4 3,000 uqoqa kokwamuna past 70 ungale ku 70 uqawutshona nge 3,000 yo
and ithatha isikhathi ukufika ku 1,200
balela project uyabaza uma muphila nabo nge weekend project baro uyabaza ukuthi uhlala nabo weekend
yesho eGold Reef
Christina ubabonke bayogembula lephe eGold Reef Anokuba khona fasele mabheka uJoji wathi ntangaze umuntu utshayisa ngo 12 ebusuku mashayisa ngo 12 uyabona oyi uthole rumala lapho ubhizi nakukhokha yazi nenze ukuthi abantu bavote MDA ilesa sithombe nasi yabona lesa sithombe lesiphethe ukukheni kunene lesa sithombe sakhini kunene esakamusi adonsa le picture esakamusi mayimani adonsa uHeleni nomunye umlungu
sure
ukheni kunene ajulana nase like sidisida usmayile bro George umusi mayimani uveze yonke iphasela i-package lalela big enough for sure
Kaya FM Tshaka.
Trafiki
ke traffic
big uphethe yonke into ufuna sonke usona ne
826 wala KO injalo lendo Cara.
I love how Brajosh does this. Like on a serious note, let's rewind this show and listen to Brajosh for the past 2 hours. And the amount of English that was used in that hour. and then size kule 26 minutes yale hour
Yeah.
isizulu sikhulumile yo lengoma zidalayo badlala ingoma zabo Pharrell Mary J Blige ngamina akhara ngathi ngikhipha ubulokishi kuwe bra George
Connection one time.
it's nice I just like serious
Ayivalo.
like hayi kula sayivalini
Sinayivali.
hayi mina alela angisayivala yazi mina ngathi mangikhuluma izinto zenzeka ngenye indlela bese abantu blame mina basha abantu uneyathi eshisile Thembisa ithola ukuthi imali yayo inama ithola ama-twins we-China
Hayi.
yeah yathi iparafini ngayithola phi mafuni iparafini ngayithola abazi ukufila wazibamba ngetayera yena
Sure.
daylight mina ka
Oh no. Ubona njani babantwana ngabama China? Kulure.
So Kuli, are you saying to us you can't spot a Chinese guy? Like when you're saying you look at a guy from Pakistan, umzulu wena noma
So ubona abantwana benamehlo.
oy bakajabulile like yo mina mimitha ama-twins yo ama-twins ayi-2 obvious ayi-2 yeah wahamba we-maternity ward wazwa ngathi kunento emkapayo lo wona uzwa ngathi wele ipali la kapa ukabona
Yo.
mawukapa insimbi uthi yo thema kavula abantwana yo abanesi bathi bafana na abazi abanesi kodwa baseThembisa hospital wena abanesikhathi sokuthi sir we need to sit down and counsel. No, they don't care. No. Athi bafana nawe ama-China bamhlophe leso sikhathi and bambonisa abantwana umamulele ngale wodini phela lo muntu ukhiphe 2 yabantwana emzimbeni wakhe akekho right like physically akekho strong but uzobona abantwana bakho bathema bavula lela sheet eli green and white zimhlophe leza zinto amehlo nona sompeka wathi usebenzile ba amadoda njengawambalo Hashem strong yini lento zamashayina sesegazini lakho manje wow lo baba waza azangamphendule wena sebela wathi yo ngani ngikhaphe ekhaya azange ayende kuye wodini ayobuza umfazi ukuthi yini lengiyibona ngayo yo and akana moto gibele taxi ohamba nge-taxi ubona le taxi loki rank i-taxi loki manawo lokuthi driver ngizoliphangisa tu like yo
Let's talk. FM 95.9.
like lezi nezingixakaya live our perfect wedding is the most watched program in Mzansi Magic, which is good. But like the past weekend, no, angazori yimo George Angel ukamqabuza babazala wakho.
Never.
Lesle out baby mqabuza ngeconfidence. Wow, it's baba wosana. Ukulu umngane wami akakazi ukula mqabuza.
Imagine.
La baba sha. Angafakile momo.
Pride.
Godfather. Italiano.
Akokenye wala baba uhlala phi ngakho mhlawumbe uyamazi abamakhalane beni basesowetha ngithi yazikhomza makhuluma ngesowetha uvela dileka isowetha yeni isowetha la baba wenza umrobhozo
Roboza.
wenza umrobhozo ngelanga lakhe lomshado mara
Robozile.
kuba kodwa dilero bele ngamhlanga sobeka utshintsha beli wayithanda ukusqueeze ukulihlala ngasqueeze ngisho into yakho ime ngohlelo
Squeezer.
Sexy.
athi lo baba ngazoyenza lento ayenzayo hayi ukhumbuza ushada nini wena
Hey, but do you have someone who often propose?
For when?
Yeah.
Uzoropoza.
Eh?
Khomotso each I would never abantu besimameni nokufuna izinto ezimpossible
Like
emawuthini.
what?
La kufuna none awuthini. Nimamele bomkhaya ukuthi sometimes ukhomotso akekho la ukula funding so right ukula right nge-life yakhe.
Yeah, but I'm also not right. I'm okay.
It's just specific.
Ufuna love.
Yes.
Nemali.
Funa malini? Funa malini?
I'm bitches every month got 50K, you know.
Oh, hold on. Okay, hold on.
Make sure
Every month akenzeni?
I'm paying 50,000 rand.
Angifuni mina.
Khomotso uqala akwazi ukuswima. You can't swim.
Ngerathi leyo.
If we want a guy that give you 50,000, une swimming pool kwakhe. There's no guy ozokunika 50 akala swimming pool. Uyaswima kanjani Khomotso?
Ngizobona iplan.
Awune i-driver's license yakho expirile. Plus it's like 50,000.
Yeah.
It's not so bad. I think you just think that it's a lot. It's not a lot.
Girl,
There's 4 zeros there. 4.
no, it's what it does.
Yeah, it's what it does.
Listen, Tombazana, Baba.
And I also take care of you. With that 50K, I
Uthini
take
ushambu usakana neweave.
Kabang. Intanga zakho zikuma Olympic manje zagijima, dlala ama shot put, zadlala zila. And yazi bakuphela ama Olympic ngena ama Paralympic angithi. Kuzoba mnandi kule country le. Oscar akekho umuntu uzogijimela. Akasekho. But last week we did a show Yama wheelchairs, and it was nice to see Amauchama wheelchair that came out and watched the show.
Stunning.
Like Rachel Pants available. I'm Shagisa Arukhohli ukuthi u disable wasukuma. Nginyali
Wakhumbula.
I'm telling you the truth. Yazi behleli ku wheelchair. Akazi bengikhuluma ngani. Wahlala phansi. Ngazo ngihleke. Originti lo usukumile lo. Khona bekumnandi yo. Ngoba umuntu bakahleka ngene phakathi kwetafula ora lenge emabondeni. Le hot man ihleke yathi yo. Enekile yamabheshi le. Ngizwa ngemini yakhe ihlala phansi.
Spoon my miracle.
Oh, the super just calling. But it's nice today. We're doing our first drop-off.
Oh, yes. Big one.
We're doing our first drop-off. Address address. But yeah, we're doing our first drop-off today.
Okay.
Follow me on Twitter and Instagram to see what is Gubi. And to see what Dalangan message we're doing this thing. Because people will say, we're raising funds. The next thing, we don't see the results. And I'll post everything, every wheelchair. Like I have fun. It's my birthday month, so I'm gonna have fun.
When is your birthday?
On the 31st of August.
Oh, Vali.
But if I was from Zimbabwe, August, like about August. Yeah, birthday. So I'm delivering wheelchairs from today, every Friday, just after the show.
Okay.
Yeah, via new Kayana, my wheelchair grand. So next week's of our song, Kemanga Bukon.
Brilliant.
And 9 years now, it's TV la malanga.
Brilliant.
And I'm telling you,
Yes, she's happily married. Leave Bobby alone.
Yes, and happily.
I'm a party about 50,000. Yeah.
Uyangijoyela wena.
50,000.
Ifuthi incane.
50,000 a kiss. No kiss. Una kiss. Hayi angeke. Umuntu manje ufuna 50,000. Yinga. Senza ama kiss. I-confidence abanayo abantu be-kiss. Oh yeah. Angithola. Yeah. No girl. Next door una kiss nje. Bese ayibakaphoza manje. Ken, uno kiss. Akami straight. Yo, singabona enye into. Iponza zibaleko manje. Shit the chrome. Yo girl uma kanje la. Ngada. Yo. uNkulunkulu ngithathe manje sengiright but yeah cela ukuthi before langashona bafethu uNkulunkulu abe nathi ngoba yabona kunzima bhekani Gauteng ANC 41.84 DA 41.72 ngitsheleni bafethu
Wow.
sibathatha ijozi yethu
Democracy is ruling.
ngiyabona ikhansela lethu bathi ufan firen Alena thina sivotela enye godman yaseKaslamba bathi ubaba Makhadi votela ubaba Makhadi uyevenda ba like Makhadi since afikile angaze ngambona driver uhlale roomini laba why eni cancel uhlale roomini akana media akubona time yami ubaba Makhadi uye emingcwabeni ngoba wonke umuntu bathi uye emingcwabeni kayi2 ubaba Makhadi uye emingcwabeni ay3 njobe sine tornado last week bekayibheke straight emehlweni
Adoza wena twister.
Yeah, this is a show on the TV. Yes,
That thing was big.
True story. Immediately they say mall 20 minutes. Yeah, like after 20 minutes you come like mall. Yeah, yenzani. Yathatha amajuveti le mall or imali or robbery lento. Yathatha amajula project abantu abangana. What's robbery? Kwalahla amajuveti imoto zaphuka kumuntu ama-tin staff
ama samurai
yes yo ile ndaba ukuthi sibaningi kule country kunabantu esingasabazi uyabo bani ama homedi hambani sikasela ubona into vele ivumbuke nje and yazi kuna mama oyi1 una le story sale tshona uthi yazi bengihleli misonga lo moya so right lo
Akho wasethembisa lo
yazi lo moya ngiyafila ukuthi yazi ngathi angeke yazi yiyo ngikhula 81 yazi 81
Angela
yazi 81 bengikhupha so ngayibonisa ngathi nayi bathi inyoka oh yini tornado bafethu
It's a very strong whirlwind.
Yeah, it's wind.
It's wind.
manje le nyoka sithathaphi
But ispellet izochintsha ibe inyoka.
but faka ispelet
Yeah, like a pin.
ngathi usabi lightning wena mara ufuna 50,000 lightning uduma ngisondela ngapha spelet but yeah tonight I'm out Duduza
Okay.
Duduza is a plateau.
Where's that?
Duduza exactly Duduza like mohamba
Niger.
yeah it's a Niger.
Okay.
Yeah so Duduza vandaag plateau nabangani bami sibe right and then tomorrow ayikho enyenzayo.
Oh, good. You must rest as well.
Angenzi nix mara manje ngisophana ngama wheelchair manje ngihlane nje le kiss ngiyigaya na
Uyayibuza okanye uyayigaya nje.
Akibuzi lokuthatha Priyekile wana ngara futhi
That's it. And kind of remember as well, Namuhlai Friday. So yeah, there's a blood drive right here at Kaya House. So it's starting actually at 9 o'clock. So yeah, come through, fellow Afropolitan, and let's save some lives. After all, there is life in blood.
And you always go on, Kaya, about the fact that, you know, you don't know what to do to help other people. And, you know, let's say you don't have money to give out to charity. Here we go. You can give blood and it will save lives.
Absolutely. Starting at 9 o'clock. So come through. We got enough packing just for y'all.
ngamathing bakayithulitha nyana egazi
Sure.
No, man, you can't. You should have eaten before. Oh, I don't know, actually.
yo gazi lami line peanut butter linokuyingqina yabona sibathi uhleni babo uhleni igazi Champion Jones great
Come in the house.